then I went to a Tibetan dhaba. So now, where am I going? I am going for the breakfast again to that dhaba. Doing some photography. This is their living room.
मुझे भी एक
The lunch. So I was just telling this man how what a good view of lighthouse. So the dhaba is open now. The man is getting the menu. So we will eat something that we didn't eat yesterday. कल मैंने 2 आइटम लिया था कल, तो आपने वहाँ पे एक तीसरा आइटम बोला था ना?
लिया था।
हम मोमो लिया था, थुपका लिया था, और फिर तीसरा आइटम आपने मुझे एक दिखाया था।
अच्छा,
वो क्या था?
सर ये था येलो लाफिंग।
येलो लाफिंग। ये स्वीट नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं, इतना नहीं है।
ठीक है, और
थोड़ा कम भी रहेगा।
कम भी? अच्छा, ये कम रहेगा। ओके,
कम भी रहेगा।
तो एक काम करो फिर, एक
ब्रेकफास्ट में लाछा पराठा, आलू पराठा।
आलू पराठा ये सब नहीं खाना।
छोले,
नहीं,
हाँ।
टिबेटियन।
सॉरी
तो ये वेज होता है, नॉन वेज होता है?
नॉन वेज रहता है।
नॉन वेज होता है।
थोड़ा सा है।
चिकन होता है अंदर?
शायद मैं पूछता।
ओके, पूछ के। सो दिस dish called yellow laughing is coming back. Oh, he's going back. Okay, so he showed me the picture of that yesterday. Inside there were some pamphlets with the pictures of that dish, but I was already having 2 dishes, so it was quite filling, so I could not have that yesterday. So we'll have yellow laughing. Now he says the quantity of yellow laughing would be less. The price is also only 30 rupees. So yeah, it would be less. So we will have 2 dishes today as well.
के लिए करीब 1 घंटा लग जाएगा।
1 घंटा लगेगा ना? 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा नहीं, ठीक है? चलेगा?
पूछो क्या?
हाँ पूछो, चलेगा। 1 घंटा है मेरे पास। या बिकॉज okay guys, there is some bad news here. So the owner is saying that yellow laughing is going to take time. It will take more than 2-3 hours. So right now they have just opened, so that item will not be available. Now all the other items that we see here, puri, chole, roti, aloo paratha, rice, dal, these are all Indian items which we don't want to have. Momos I get everywhere, so I don't want to have momos as well, but since we've come here, we will have something. So I will again have chicken thupka. I'm going to tell them to add extra chicken on that chicken thupka, because I have not had anything since last breakfast, which was yesterday. So I need my fill of protein. So we will have twice the quantity of chicken in chicken thupka. I just told the man, and he will now prepare it for me, or get it prepared rather. Thank you. This is chicken thupka. Does it look different today? Yep, because today I got twice the quantity of chicken as yesterday. So you can see it here.
नमक जरूरत पड़ेगा।
सॉल्ट है, ठीक है।
मिर्ची लेके?
मिर्ची हाँ लेके आओ। वो जो लाल वाला चटनी दिया था ना कल
लाल
मोमो के साथ, हाँ वो लेके आओ। हाँ, wow. So yeah, we will have that spicy chutney that we had yesterday with momos. So if you watched that previous breakfast vlog, you know that this dish is not very spicy. It's actually bland. So a little bit of extra salt and that spicy chutney can really make it taste better. This is not a criticism. I mean, maybe it's supposed to taste the way it is tasting, but for my Indian taste buds, spice is always welcome. Here's the chutney. Thank you. Man, I really wanted to have the, what was it? Yellow laughing. But unfortunately, they can't make it right now. Who is sending me messages right now? Unfortunately, they can't make it right now. I could have had that yesterday. If I knew that that item takes time to make and they can't make it after they open the dhaba, if I knew all that, I would have had that dish instead of momos or this one yesterday. But anyways, while I was waiting for this food, I googled about laughing, saw the pictures, what it is. It's really tempting. This is little different than yesterday in that there were coriander leaves on top of it, which were not there yesterday. But otherwise, and yeah, twice the quantity of chicken. But otherwise, it's just like yesterday. Me saying that this is bland, don't take that as criticism of this dish, okay? Because I'm aware that northeastern and Tibetan food can be bland. Some dishes from there, not all, because even this is northeastern and this is very spicy. So not all of their dishes are bland, but they, again, I'm not a connoisseur of northeastern cuisine, so let me not speak about that. Now let's add some spice. Oh, it's too hot. This chili, too spicy. Amazing. Now this vlog was supposed to be a breakfast vlog. But good thing that we found that man and got to see the behind those mud houses, got to invade them. So that makes up for the loss of a food vlog, the actual food vlog, because you're seeing the same thing that I ate yesterday. There's one more thing that I'll add to this vlog. And that is, I'll hitchhike on my way back. Yesterday also I hitchhiked, but I didn't really vlog it. So today I will show hitchhiking in action. So you might want to wait for that. So I'm just going to finish this now.
हेलो सभी को मेरा नमस्कार प्रणाम। मैं उड़ीसा का हूँ, मेरा नाम मानुएल कराड़ है। हम उड़ीसा का गजपति ज़िला से हूँ। आप सभी लोगों से मेरा एक निवेदित है, अगर आप लोग आना चाहो तो उड़ीसा में आइएगा, हमारा गजपति ज़िला में घूमिएगा, उड़ीसा में घूम सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। हमारे एरिया में कोई सीन भी है ऐसा है आप देखने लायक है। और ये हमारा टिबेटन ढाबा है, हमारा सेठ है श्री वंगसेन, उनका ऐसे स्पेशलिस्ट खाना भी मिलता है। आप लोग ब्रेकफास्ट चाहे ब्रेकफास्ट मिलेगा, लंच चाहे लंच मिलेगा, आपको इंडियन फूड मिलेगा या तो चाइनीज़ फूड मिलेगा। आप जिस प्रकार की फूड ऑर्डर करना चाहते हैं वैसे आपको बहुत प्यारा प्यारा सुंदर सुंदर आपका मनपसंद की चीज़ मिल जाएगा। आप आइएगा। आप अगर टूर करना चाहें तो हमारा गजपति ज़िला को आपसे हम वेलकम करते हैं, आप लोग आइएगा। थैंक्स।
बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक यू। चलो,
थैंक्स सर।
अच्छा लगा मिलकर आपको।
थैंक यू सर।
नेक्स्ट टाइम आएंगे तो आएंगे ज़रूर, ठीक है? चलो, that was the breakfast. Did I take everything? Yeah. Okay, so now we will go back to the hotel, and as I said, I will show you the hitchhiking. Let's see how DC Traveler hitchhikes. And so far, before we do that, if you're liking this video, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget, you know what, the bell icon, the beautiful bell icon. भैया थोड़ा आगे तक लेके जाओगे, थोड़ा आगे तक छोड़ दोगे, यहाँ बैठ जाओ। चलो, hitchhiking on a tractor now. For the first time I'm